Namaskar, sir. Honorable Secretary, sir, Additional Secretary. Thank you for giving privilege to speak about Delhi. So let me start with Delhi. So we were the latest entry into the NeVA project. We signed MOU on 22nd March, and on 9th May, DPR was approved. On June 14th, we launched the NeVA Foundation store. On 3rd of August, we got live. So I think, as sir has rightly pointed out, the biggest factor was the speaker's contribution. So what we did, we had a number of subcommittees. The moment we sent a DPR, my speaker went to Odisha. We learned how the system worked, and then we came and we started implementing it. And when we wanted some assistance, I think we called the people from Odisha also to help us to analyze how it can be implemented. Similarly, we took help of MOPA also. We called their resource persons to train our MLS simultaneously. Like number of projects were working on the simultaneous figures to make it implement. So by this, and before starting NeVA, we had a mock session in which all the MLA was called. Before going live on 4th, we had a session in 3rd of August, so that all the MLA was trained how to put questions. And our speakers were very strict. He said no more questions on paper form. So he has given a very strict instructions to all the MLAs that all the questions will come in online models. So probably it was little bit of carrot and stick policy that everybody has to fall into the NeVA. And with the help of Odisha people, NeVA people, IT people, we were able to implement this within a short span of 45 days, less than 45 days. Now, we don't have very good experience of best practice and all because we are very new, but we have some challenges. So I'll straight away come to the challenges which are facing and the suggestions, sir. So challenges, all the MLAs were newly elected, sir, and they were not willing to adopt this NeVA practice because the last government was not wanted this NeVA project. So to convince them that NeVA is a good project and they should accept it, it was a big challenge. So we organized a training for them. We told all the pros and cons, and sir, I'll just share this fact with you. On the first day, all the members, ruling and opposition, they were very happy with the NeVA project, and they also started accepting NeVA applications. So with this short up, I'll tell you one more thing. All the CAG reports were submitted on the online model, sir. No paper was used in our first session during the first sessions also, sir. No, even the MLAs who comes for the speeches were also supposed to write there on the notepad.
आपने जो CAG का रिपोर्ट जो ले होता है उसका सॉफ्ट कॉपी आप नेवा के थ्रू ले कर दिए?
ले किया सर, वो भी हमने एक भी पेपर फर्स्ट सेशन में
बहुत अच्छा है,
पेपर भी नहीं आया सर.
मतलब
इवन जो MLAs डिस्कशंस के लिए लेके आते थे, इवन दे वर नॉट सपोज्ड टू कैरी एनी पीस ऑफ पेपर, दैट वाज ऑन देयर iPad only, and from iPad they were reading it, all the lectures and all. So coming to the challenges, sir, which we suggestions, sir, I think, sir, which you have rightly pointed out, sir, we need AI integration, sir, because AI search engines, we need data analysis, we need leverage AI-based search engines to speed up our legislation work. So we want, sir, in-app messaging also, sir. So we want that all the MLAs which are doing, they should be able to use app in which they should use the message and the queries also, sir. So probably we are looking for a app type of applications, a shorter form for this NeVA project, sir. And sir, other things, sir, as sir has pointed out, sir, about the lease line, sir, we have taken a backup lease line. So we have one main lease line, second big backup lease line, and we have some Wi-Fi connection also. So probably the network down issues has not come to our any problems in our first session, sir. And slowly, sir, we are learning. So we'll be having second session in December, and we hope that every other module which we have not implemented will be coming under NeVA structure. Thank you, sir.